Ever wondered why understanding your income is the cornerstone of financial success? In this section, we'll delve into why it's crucial to have a clear picture of your total earnings. One of the fundamental steps towards financial stability is gaining a deep understanding of your income. This isn't just about knowing your salary, it's about comprehending every stream of money that flows into your life. Section 1. Understanding your income. Let's start by acknowledging that your income isn't solely derived from your primary job. It includes side hustles, investments, and any other sources contributing to your financial pool. By recognizing the various avenues through which money enters your life, you empower yourself to make informed decisions. Now let's talk about calculating your monthly take-home pay. It's not merely about the gross amount, it's about the money that finds its way into your pocket after taxes and deductions. The key here is accuracy. Don't estimate. Take the time to calculate your net income meticulously. This ensures your budget is built on a solid foundation, reflecting the actual resources at your disposal. Armed with this knowledge, you gain a powerful tool for financial planning. You can allocate funds wisely, set realistic goals, and make informed choices that align with your long-term aspirations. Section 2. Tracking your expenses. Now that you've grasped the importance of knowing your income, let's move on to the equally vital task of tracking your expenses. This is where the rubber meets the road in budgeting, and it's essential for gaining control over your financial journey. Picture your finances as a ship sailing through the sea of expenses. Without a proper map and navigation system, it's easy to get lost. Tracking your expenses serves as that map, guiding you through the sometimes unpredictable waters of financial life. Many people underestimate the power of this simple act. By keeping a meticulous record of every penny spent, you gain insights into your spending patterns. You identify areas where money seems to slip through the cracks unnoticed. Categorizing your expenses adds another layer of clarity. It's not just about knowing how much you spend, it's about understanding where your money goes. Categories could include necessities like housing, utilities, groceries, and discretionary spending like entertainment and dining out. By breaking down your spending into categories, you shine a light on potential areas for adjustment. Maybe you'll realize you're spending more on non-essential items than you thought, or perhaps certain categories can be trimmed to allocate funds towards your financial goals. Section 3. Setting realistic goals. With a firm grip on your income and a clear understanding of your expenses, it's time to set sail towards your financial goals. But not just any goals. SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These criteria ensure your goals are well-defined, practical, and anchored within a specific time frame. Setting financial goals isn't just about chasing dreams. It's about creating a roadmap for your financial journey. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, creating an emergency fund, or planning for retirement, having SMART goals provides direction and purpose. Equally important is the art of prioritization. You might have several financial goals, but it's crucial to identify which ones take precedence. Prioritizing allows you to allocate resources efficiently, focusing on the goals that align with your current life stage and long-term aspirations. Section 4. Creating the budget. Now that your financial goals are in sight, let's delve into the heart of financial planning, the budget. Creating a budget isn't about restricting yourself, it's about allocating your resources intentionally. Budgets come in various shapes and sizes, but we'll walk through the steps of creating a straightforward monthly budget. Start by listing your sources of income, ensuring you capture everything we discussed earlier. Next, outline your fixed expenses, those monthly obligations that remain constant like rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. These are the non-negotiables, the backbone of your financial commitments. The beauty of a budget lies in its adaptability. Life is unpredictable, and your budget should have room for adjustments. That's where the importance of flexibility comes into play. Whether it's unexpected expenses or opportunities to save more, a flexible budget accommodates life's twists and turns. Section 5. The envelope system. Transitioning from the conceptual to the practical, Let's explore a tried-and-true method for controlling spending, the envelope system. The envelope system is a tangible way to manage discretionary spending. This could be a chart tracking your debt reduction, a graph showcasing your growing savings, or any other visual that resonates with you. Seeing your progress can be a powerful motivator. Surround yourself with positive influences. Share your financial goals with friends or family who can provide support and encouragement. You might even find an accountability partner who shares similar aspirations, creating a supportive community. Educate yourself continuously. The more you understand about personal finance, the more empowered you become. Read books, follow financial blogs, and stay informed about new strategies and tools that can enhance your financial management skills. As we wrap up this journey through budgeting and financial planning, let's quickly recap the key points that will set you on the path to financial success. We began by emphasizing the importance of understanding your income, the foundation upon which your financial house is built. Tracking your expenses emerged as the next crucial step, shedding light on your spending habits and providing opportunities for adjustment. Setting realistic, smart financial goals became the compass guiding your financial ship. Creating a budget, with its flexibility and adaptability, formed the vessel itself, ensuring a steady course through both calm and turbulent financial waters. The envelope system, whether physical or virtual, offered a practical method for controlling discretionary spending. Regular monitoring and adjustments, coupled with staying motivated through celebrations and education, solidified your journey towards financial freedom. Remember, financial freedom is within reach. Start today, take that first step, and watch how these budgeting strategies transform your financial landscape. Until next time, this is from MoneyThing,